Hey Mike, how you doing? I just want to send you a quick video on how this little R48, we call it a cutoff board, initial load cutoff board, will work. I've got it made here, hooked into the 28 volt output. We can hook it in, we can make a version that'll also go into the 14 volt output. But basically I've got this block in charge mode. The way this is a one-shot board, so as soon as power is applied, right now the power is disconnected on the outputs while it's in charge mode. As soon as I disconnect this, I'm going to put the block so it immediately goes into the 28 volt mode when it comes off the charger. Right now there's no power applied to this because the charger's on. So as I turn this off, you'll see the red light come on the board. We have the meter here so you can see when the load is taken off. As soon as I remove this, you'll see the red light come on. It's applying a resistive load to the output, sucking the voltage down until it reaches approximately 31 volts, and then it will turn off the load, and that'll get rid of that surface charge we talked about that causes overvoltage in cold weather. So here we go. I'm just going to remove this now, and you'll see how it works. The red light comes on the board. You can see the voltage coming down. As soon as it comes down sufficiently, it clicks over to green, meaning it's been drained down. So there you have it. That's the way it works. It will not turn back on until power is removed and replaced. So another charge cycle or somebody physically removes the connector and puts it back on.